first session, our main goal is that we have to acquire Packet Tracer so that way we can install it. So here I am at the Cisco Net Academy website. I can see this because I'm up here at netacad.com. So if you haven't, go ahead and go to login and create yourself an account. In this case, since I do, I'm going to go ahead and just log in. When you log in, you'll be presented with the courses that you've been enrolled for. At this point, you may not have any courses listed. So what we're going to do here to get to Packet Tracer, we're going to go to Courses, and we're going to select Packet Tracer. From here, we can see information about this course, but if we scroll down, we'll have the Intro to Packet Tracer self-paced course. Here, we're going to click Learn More. And this brings us to where we can sign up for the course. So feel free to click here to sign up today. In this case, I will choose English. And now I'm enrolled in the course and I can see it here on my main page. And then all I need to do is just click Launch Course. This will bring me into the NetAcad where I can see all the chapters where I can get a good deep dive into Packet Tracer itself. For us, we want to go to Student Support and Resources to acquire Packet Tracer. When we get to this page, we're going to scroll down to where it says Packet Tracer, and we're going to download and install the latest version of Packet Tracer. So I'm going to select that, which brings me to the download page for Packet Tracer. If I scroll down, I'll have the option to download either a Windows 7.3.1 English version, a Linux version, a Mac OS version, or I can download the iOS or Android version for my mobile device. In this case, I want to download the 64-bit Windows version since that's the operating system I'm running. In this case, I've already downloaded the file, so I do not need to continue downloading it. Here I have the file for Packet Tracer put into a folder on my desktop. To install, I'm simply going to double-click the install file. And I'm going to click Run. Next, I'm going to read and accept the end-user license agreement, and I'm going to click Next. I'm going to click Next to put it in its default location. I'm going to click Next to accept the Start menu options. And in this case, I do want it to put a icon on my desktop. So I'm going to leave that checked and click Next, and then lastly, Install. After a few moments, we'll have Packet Tracer installed. Now that we have Packet Tracer installed, let's go ahead and launch it by leaving the checkbox checked and clicking Finish. In this case, I get a message about running this in multi-user mode when the application starts. I'm going to go ahead and click Yes on this. Now, for Packet Tracer, it does want us to go ahead and log in with the user account we registered at the Cisco Net Academy. So I'm going to go ahead and log into Packet Tracer using my login. Now I have fully installed Packet Tracer and I'm ready to use it. This completes our first part of the Introduction to Packet Tracer series.